What is up, 4500 guys? I contacted you guys. I made a post on the group asking, I am visiting my best friend in Akron, Ohio. What is there to do out here? You guys said, visit Summit Racing Equipment. So I'm gonna go find out, never been, what everyone makes a fuss about. So come on. Alright guys, I found the F100 AJE by AJE F100 suspensions, so I'm going to let you guys go because I might be spending too much money. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, check out AJE. Thanks for watching. See you guys.